Hello guys, welcome to another video of this channel. So in this video we're going to be taking a look at another survey platform. Now this one is called GrabPoints, right? And it basically works in many countries, even though it doesn't work in most African countries and other places as well, but it does. It works in India and works in different places. So just like any other survey platform, basically you'll be doing a bunch of survey, answering a bunch of questions about products and things, about yourself and purchasing habits and things like that. And they also have like partners as well, right? Like just like most survey websites, they usually list like the survey partners here. So these are different other survey platforms which you can join, right? And if you click on any of these offers, you get a certain amount of points, right? And you can withdraw these points to your money. So that's basically how it works. So personally, I've tried to work on this platform. I live in a country that doesn't support surveys much, so I didn't get the opportunity to answer any survey. Yeah, it might be a problem if you're living in places like Africa and things of that nature. So the amount that I got here is for completing like my own profile. So these are the points and the money that I got. So yeah, you face that issue a lot. So this is the payments that I got, right? For 75 cents is equals to about 750 grab points. 02 is 20 grab points. So this is how you get paid, right? There isn't much to talk about grab points, right? It's just basically easy to sign up. You sign up, you verify your information, and that's it. If you live in an eligible country, you're going to receive a lot of surveys. And basically do not use a VPN because you might get into trouble. So you can also refer like your link, right, to people, different people, and if they click that link and if they earn something, you get something in return. So for example, here this says refer and earn. Share a referral link with friends and earn a percentage of what they earn. Your referral must earn at least 10 points for you to receive a percentage. About me, completion, sign up, bonuses and stuff. So I'm going to leave this particular link maybe in this video. I don't know, probably copy it and maybe we can both earn some points, right? But I don't know if I will withdraw these points, but either way, that's it. And this is the process basically on how you can redeem your Grab points, right? There's a profile mismatch. You only need 3,000 points to cash out, which translates to $3. So hitting this goal is quick and straightforward, so you can enjoy your rewards sooner. 3,000 points. This is basically very low, right? For example, I have 770 points, right? That's almost near to 1,000. So I need at least 2,000 points more. If I can get service, I can get that done. So incomplete or rushed responses from digital gift cards to cash options like Visa, PayPal, ACH, and Venmo. GrabPoints provide a wide range of reward choices to fit your preferences, right? These are some of the the payment processes that you can use to receive. Now, once you've accumulated enough points, redeem them right away. Rewards are delivered quickly, so there's no longer waiting period to access your earnings. Whether you prefer cash, gift cards, pick the reward that best suits your style. With multiple payouts method available, you are in control of how you enjoy your earnings. So this is actually the entire process of withdrawing your points, right? Reach about 3,000 points and then you are supposed to have access to any of these payment processes, right? And then you can go ahead and withdraw. And you can read more about the platform on the FAQs on their FAQ page, right? And I think some of these are not updated. As you can see, how many points do I need to reclaim a reward? You need at least 1,000 points to redeem a reward. For 1,000 points, you can redeem a $1 Amazon gift card or $1 in PayPal cash. But I think you need a lot more than that. So guys, there isn't much about about GrabPoints. This is basically it. And again, thank you for watching this video. And you can try it if you live in any of the supported countries. As I said, it works in India. As you can see, this guy is the top actually worker. He's about 20,000 something points. So it works in many countries. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and until then, see you on the next one.
Business plans, company profiles,
letterheads, resumes, and proposals. All these are very important in setting up your business and yourself for success. Hi, my name is Koliambez and I'm a business writer, designer, and consultant. I specialize in crafting professional business documents and also offering consultancy services for different businesses across industries. The documents are well written, well researched, and professionally designed to suit each and every business needs. Now, get ready to stand out from competition and get your documents done today. You can reach out to me using the provided details, and I will get back to you as soon as possible.